Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LifeLock device security and scam alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, power on your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the LifeLock website URL and press enter. Locate the option for device security and scam alerts on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the installation process. You may need to create an account if you're a new user. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the device security section. Download the LifeLock app suitable for your device. Open the app after installation is complete. Grant necessary permissions for the app to function effectively. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up device security features. Customize your security settings according to your preferences. Enable scam alerts to receive notifications about potential threats. Test the alerts to ensure they are functioning properly. Review all settings to confirm everything is set up to your satisfaction. Regularly check for updates to keep the app and security features current. That concludes the installation steps for LifeLock device security and scam alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.